Hello friends, good morning everyone. In this video we are going to understand the introduction part or the first two topic of class 10th mathematics chapter 4 quadratic equation. So first topic is standard form of the equation. We know that the standard form is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where A, B, C are real numbers and A should not be 0. We must remember these two conditions. A, B, C should be real number, means it can be rational or irrational, but the coefficient of x square A should not be 0. Now we'll see some example like 4x square plus 5x plus 7 equal to 0. This is a standard form of quadratic equation. But if I say A should not be 0, it means B and C can be 0 or can be non-zero. So here another example is 4x square plus 5x equal to 0, where C is 0. Or in third example 4x square plus 7 equal to 0, here B is 0. And in next, only 4x square can also be the equation, or only x square equal to 0 is also the example of quadratic equation, because all these are satisfying this condition that A is not 0. Rest B or C can be 0 or can be any one of the 0, or can both of them should be 0. Now topic number 2 is converting the given equation into standard form and finding the values of A, B and C. Like 3x square minus 7 is equal to px square minus qx plus r. This is the equation. Firstly, we must write conversion or convert the given equation in standard form. So what you have to do, firstly you have to transfer all the terms in the left hand side. This p x square and x square will be written together. Now there is only one term of x. Now these are the terms without x, means constant terms. So plus or minus 7 minus r you can write. So when you have to convert the given equation into standard form, you must remember, write firstly, open the bracket, if any bracket is there, left side or right hand side, open all the brackets. Then transfer all the sides, all the terms in the left hand side. After that, arrange the terms having x square. Sometimes x square terms can be cancelled. In that case, that will not be the quadratic equation. So after simplifying, if you are not finding the term of x square, it means this is not a quadratic equation. That is why this condition is here. A should not be 0, means x square term should be present. After that, take the common x square. So 3 minus p will be left after taking x square common. If there is 3 terms of having x, then take common like this. But here only one term is there. And all the terms without x will be written together. So now it is in standard form. Here a equal to 3 minus p, or you may say, comparing with the standard form, we can write like this. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. एक्स स्क्वायर का कोफिशिएंट यहाँ पर a है, यहाँ पर 3 minus p, so a equal to 3 minus p. Don't write x square or x here. Similarly, the coefficient of x is b, here coefficient of x is q, so b equal to q. And here all the terms which are without x will be c. So c equal to minus 7 and minus r. So this is the way how to convert the given equation into quadratic equation form and finding the values of a, b, c. Clear? It can be, see, now the constant term can be one or more than one. Similarly, the value of a can be binomial, trinomial or monomial. So this point you have to remember. Sometimes it is possible that small abc is already here. Like in place of q, if it is b, then b equal to b can also be there. You should not get confused. Whatever the coefficient of x will be considered as b. Whatever the coefficient of x will be, x square will be considered as a. And without x terms will be considered constant term. So these are the two topics of this chapter we are discussing here. Before the end of this video, one more thing I want to convey to you, that the quadratic equation is always having equal to 0. Without 0, it will be considered as quadratic polynomial. Polynomial is different, quadratic equation is different. So make it clear the difference between them. Whenever you are solving quadratic equation, you must remember equal to 0 should be used in each and every term. Like here, there is no equal to 0. It means two terms are there. Left hand side and right hand side should be there in quadratic equation. But after simplifying, you have got it till this. You have got equal to 0. So please remember this point. So I am closing now. Okay. Once again, within 1 minute, we can revise the two topics. Standard form of the quadratic equation: ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A, b, c real number. A should not be 0. Out of 3, any one can be 0. Here c is 0. Here b is 0. Here b and c both can be 0. This is also possible. Here the coefficient is 1. A is 1. But still it is a quadratic equation. Okay, thank you.